Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky. In today's video, I'm showing you guys this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition island. It's actually going to allow me to head to the Teen Titans Go dimension. If you guys actually want to go ahead and head to the Teen Titans Go dimension for yourself, the name of the add-on is the Minecraft Park Edition Teen Titans Go dimension add-on. Wow, that was a long name, guys. But everything you guys are going to need is in my inventory, guys. So what you guys are going to need first, you're going to need blocks of emeralds. And what you're going to do is you're just going to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need red wool. And you're going to place 1 of those on each side of your emerald blocks. Then you're just going to want to go ahead and jump on up, if I can ever jump up. And then you just want to go ahead and put 3 emerald blocks right there, guys. And then 1 red wool on top. And then you just want to go ahead and jump on down if you dare, guys, because it's going to hurt. Let's go ahead and jump. Ooh, ouchie, mama, wow, that hurt. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to place 3 blocks of emeralds on this side, then 2 blocks of emeralds right in the middle. Oh my god, what's that pig doing? Is he watching us, guys? Oh my god, I think he's going back to Herobrine to report what he's seen. Oh my god, I hope he don't, guys. I hope he don't. But then you just want to go ahead and finish up with your red wool, just like that, guys. And then jump on down and take a look at the amazing, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous frame you have just built. But now it's time to go ahead and light this up. I hope you guys have your sunglasses, because boom, that is bright. And that is beautiful, guys. But not as beautiful as my bay rave. But let me go ahead and grab a hold of my lucky potato. And let's go ahead and head into this amazing dimension. Wow, that time we actually landed it. I cannot believe that, guys. And whoa, that loaded up quick, and wow. This place looks absolutely amazing. They have mermen, and they have a blue tower. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Let's go ahead and head on over here, guys. Is that the Peace Garden? Oh my god, guys, this place is absolutely humongous. And over here's the Peace Garden. Wow, I cannot believe they have this little peace sanctuary over here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and spawn my pig right there so he can just chillax. That's what he needs to do, guys. But let's go ahead and head on into the tower. Hopefully he don't get mugged and attacked and robbed for his bacon. Yeah, because he carries bacon on him. But whoa, this looks like it's going to be a long walk up. Let's go ahead and head on up. Oh my god, they have a TV, guys, and they're watching the dancing channel. Pretty amazing. I would definitely watch the dancing channel too. Let's go ahead and see what's behind this there, guys. What? Nothing? What? Is this some kind of pro? Beast Boy must have did that, guys. Let's go ahead and spawn my villager. Hopefully he keeps trying to open it. What the heck? No, you cannot come with me to see the Titans. No, you know what? I'm going to head on in here. Oh my god, guys. Is this what I think it is? A beautiful, beautiful bathtub with, wow, it got an open view, but I don't know how good that open view is going to be where you're sitting on the toilet. Wow, it's actually pretty good. But if I can see down there, then can't they see up here while I'm using the toilet? Oh my god, guys. I better just wash my hands and get out of here. I better crack a window too, because this place is really stinking after I use that toilet. But let me go ahead and get my bucket. Let me go ahead and start just a small fire, because you know what you got to do after you start a fire. You know what they say. Start a fire and pee it out. Can't touch this. That's what I just did, guys. I just basically made a fire just to pee it out. But let's go ahead and head on through her, guys. And oh my god, is this Raven's room? She has a TV up on the ceiling. That's pretty amazing, guys. I wish I had a TV up on the ceiling, and then I'd be able to watch the Teen Titans while I'm sleeping. Or would I be watching it? If I'm sleeping, am I watching it? Or am I sleeping? Who knows, guys? Who knows? It's just pretty amazing. Let's go ahead and head on in here and see what's in Robin's room. Wow, he has a gigantic TV, but I really loved her TV and how it was on the ceiling, guys. And whoa, he has some milk so he can drink it while he's watching TV, guys. That's pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and drink it. Wow, he's probably going to be angry now, because now he has nothing to watch. or nothing to drink while he's watching TV. And he's probably going to be really, really upset about that, guys. He might be so upset about that. Oh my god, didn't I tell you you're not going to meet up with him? What are you doing? Yeah, you better get out of here. You're never going to touch Robin's butt cheeks. You heard me? That's what he's trying to do, guys. Oh my god, I was inside his head there for a minute. I'm going to leave. I'm so going to leave. Oh my god, this must be Beast Boy's room. And he's watching the Animal Channel. Get out of here. What are you doing? And he has a lucky feather. And he also has that gold, yo. Which, I mean, I really love gold. I also really love this TV remote. And I really love his bed. You know what? I might just have to take his room, guys. But I feel like this channel's kind of missing something. Yeah, I better just go ahead and take this fish. And then, boom, now it has Mr. Potato Head. So now it's not missing anything, guys. It's pretty on point. Let's go ahead. And whose room is this? This must be Starfire's room. And she's watching the Animal Channel, guys. Wow. There's some pretty crazy things going on this channel. I'm just going to go ahead and take the pig and go ahead and spawn him. My bestest friend, my buddy, my pal. Wow, I'm just going to leave you in here. Maybe she'll come back, get you, and treat you as her own. And oh my god, he's just watching the pizza channel. And what's this? This must be, ooh, to freeze up his boats, guys. Yeah, that's probably what it is. Or a jar of dookie. I'm not for sure, guys. But let's go ahead and head on in to the next room, guys. It should be pretty. Oh my god. Whoa. I was not expecting that, guys. And oh my god, I can't get back up. I guess I'm just going to have to use this boat, guys. Let me go ahead and try to get into the boat. Oh my god, where am I going? Wow, I cannot believe I survived that drop, guys. That was a pretty big drop. And oh my god. Is that them? Trapped over there on that island? Oh my god, they must be trapped on that island. I gotta go get them, guys. They've obviously been stuck there for 5 whole days. No less than 5 whole days. I promise you guys. They've been stuck over there for no less than 5 whole days. Let me go ahead and swim over if I can never get control of this boat. There we go, guys. Now we're picking up the speed. Now we're going pretty fast. We're probably hitting a couple of the mermen in the face as we're driving over here to this island where they've obviously been stuck for 5 whole days, eating nothing but delicious coconut pies. Let's go ahead and head up on this little island, guys. And oh my god, it's all of them, guys. It's the leader, Robin, with by far the best butt cheeks. It's Beast Boy, the somewhat of a pack rat. It's Cyborg, which is a robot with human feelings, which is pretty crazy. And then right here is Starfire. She really has a crush on me and she wants to kiss me. You want to kiss me, right? That's what I thought, guys. She really does. She really loves me. I can tell because when somebody winks at you, they love you. And oh my god, it's Raven. She wants to give me some of her delicious coconut cream pies. She also loves me because she's double winking. So boom, there you go. A kiss for you guys. But let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing Minecraft Park Edition add-on down in the comment section below. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.